All right, guys, so I want to walk you through how to change the row color in Google Sheets when a drop down is selected or really just any value is placed inside of a cell. We're just going to use this drop down as an example. So to show you what I'm talking about, if I select A, you see the whole row changes. If I select C, the whole row changes. So we're going to do this from jump. So I'm going to delete everything. We're going to delete the list. So first, what we're going to do is get our drop-down list. And to do that, you're going to go into data. You're going to go to data validation. You're going to select a range. You're going to add a rule. And then you're going to input your options. So I'm going to do A, B, C, D, just like we had. And I'm going through this fast because, I assume you already know how to do this. If not, I'll add a link to a video that walks through it in more detail in the description. So let me just change the color of these pills so that now when I select A, the pill changes to red. If I select B, it changes all the way down. Okay. Now the next part, since we have data in just this range, we're going to just select this range. We're going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. So here's all of my old rules. I'm going to just delete those, and we're going to select Add a New Rule. From here, you can see that it's already defaulting to, if the cell is not empty, to turn it green. Okay. What we're going to do is say, if there's a custom formula, and that custom formula is our cell that has the information, we need to select that. So I'm going to put equals $, E, let's see, E5 equals, we're going to do quotation marks, 2 of them, and then we'll put A. Okay, so A, what we've done is we've placed A in this range, a custom formula that's looking at cell E5 and the value A, and it's going to change the style to whatever color we select. So for this one, it would be red. I'm going to add another rule. Same range, same custom formula, and now I'm going to do B. And our B is orange, so let's change that to the orange color. And we're going to hit add another rule. We're going to swap out the B for a C. Our C is yellow, so we're going to change this to yellow. And then we're going to add another rule. We're going to select D. And then we're going to select our green color. And now, since we have all the letters selected, we'll hit done. So when I go to the next section, let's say I select C, it's going to change that full row to B. Now let's say we get to the last row and we're like, oh no, what do we do? Well, you can select that last row, grab the circle, pull it down, and then we are going to go to our conditional formatting here, right? And what we're going to do is add to the range. So I'm going to add another range. I'm going to select this section here, and I'm going to hit OK. We're going to go back. Did I do that right? Let's see. That one. Yeah, so then, there we go. So we're going to have to change or expand on the section. So we did A. So custom formula for B. We're going to hit this select data range. We're going to add another data range, and we're going to select the new section, and we'll say OK. So now all of our B's have changed. And we have to do that for each of them. So I don't know why I keep closing it. Conditional formatting. Oh, we got to select our range. delete that one. Conditional formatting rule right here. Hit this select data range, add data range, and this is just how we're going to grow it if we need to. Okay. And done. So now when I click C, it is here. We can also just apply that rule all the way down. So if I see, let's select this one. Let's go to conditional format rule, select range, add another range, and I come down to here, and I'm just going to go. Okay. There, and then I'll select this, down, and now that should all be done. So I hope this helps. I know it's a little bit like I went through a lot right there, but it's really just selecting the range that you want, the value for the data in the cell, and then the color you want it to be. And you just, if you need it to grow, you can grow it how I went over. So I hope this helps you guys. If it does, please like and subscribe. Appreciate your time here today, and bye-bye.